Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert a project into Google Drive. First of all, open a project like this. Now you can see different slides here. After that, to change it to the Google Drive or to upload on Google Drive, you need to click on Share button, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you need to click on More option. After that, scroll down a little and you will see Google Drive button. Click on it and click on Connect Google Drive. Here, you need to select your account. After that, click on Continue. Now, click on Select All and click on Continue button again. After that, it will be connected to your Google Drive. Now, select all the pages if you want to send all the pages into Google Drive and select the file size from here. Now click on Save button. After that, it will be uploaded to your Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.